Hello students, welcome to online classes. I'm Kavitha, working as SA Max at ZPHS Srirangavaram. Today we are discussing 7th class mathematics. Out of that, this is our third session. In this session, we are going to discuss multiplication of a whole number and a fraction, multiplication of two fractions, division of a whole number by a fraction, and division of a fraction by another fraction. Let us start the session. Dear students, see multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of two whole numbers. Observe how we multiply two whole numbers. 3 into 4, which is nothing but 3 groups of 4 each, or 3 times of 4. Observe that for 4 things we have to take 3 times. That means, observe this, here I am taking 4 circles as a group. Like this I have to take 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Now which is nothing but 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 12. That means continuous addition converted into multiplication. Okay, so when we add the same number multiple times, that converted into multiplication. So 4, if we add 3 times, that can be converted into 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. That is 3 4s are 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. The same concept we applied here. See, multiplication of a whole number and a fraction. 3 into 1 by 4. Dear students, observe that, which is nothing but 3 times 1 by 4. We know that 1 by 4 we have to take 3 times. So 1 by 4 means, observe this circle, I am dividing into 4 equal parts. Out of that I am taking 1 part. Like this I have to add this portion 3 times. This is second time and this is third time. If you add this, observe that 1, 2, 3. So we will get 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Now, which is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So observe that every time we can't draw the pictographs. Just observe the multiplication. 3 when we multiply with 1, 3 into 1, that means 3 into the numerator by the same denominator 4 we have to write here. So we get 3 by 4. Just see here, if we multiply 5 with 3 by 4, which is equal to, multiply this 5 with numerator. The whole number with numerator we have to multiply. That is nothing but 5 into 3 by 4, which is equal to 15 by 4. Like this, 4 into 5 by 2, which is equal to 4 into 5 by 2. That is 20 by 2. Okay. Now, multiplication of a whole number and a fraction. See this, 5 into 2 by 7. Here I am taking the mixed fraction. We know that 2 by 7 is nothing but 2 into 7 plus 2 by 7, which is equal to 16 by 7. That means first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now I can write this as 5 into 16 by 7, which is equal to 5 into 16 by 7, that is nothing but 80 by 7. When we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we will get 11 3 by 7. Like this, we can multiply a whole number and the mixed fraction. And multiplication of a fraction with a whole number. 1 by 4 into 16. The students observe that 1 by 4 of 16. That means out of 16 things, we have to take 1 by 4 part. Observe this. Here I am taking 16 circles and I am dividing these 16 circles as 4 equal groups. And out of this 4 equal, I have to take 1 by 4th. That means 1 part. So this becomes the answer. That means we will get 4 circles. Observe that 1 by 4 of 16 means these 16 circles we have to divide into 4 equal groups. So 16 circles I am dividing into 4 equal groups. Out of that 1 by 4 means one part we have to take. So which is equal to 4. Dear students, here also observe that when we multiply this 1 with 16, 1 with 16, we will get 16. So 1 into 16 by 4, which is equal to 16 by 4. We know that 4 fours are 16, so we get 4. That means just multiply the numerator with the whole number. Now observe that multiplication of a fraction with fraction, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. First observe this pictograph. 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. That means first we have to consider 1 by 4 part. For this I am taking a square. Divide that square into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 we have to consider 1. This is 1 by 4th part. Now out of this 1 by 4 we have to consider 1 by 2. That means this 1 by 4th part we have to divide into 2 equal parts like this. And out of these 2 we have to take 1. This yellow colored area. Observe that to represent this as a fraction, I am dividing the square into the yellow colored equal pieces. That means see here. So total 8 pieces I am making. Now observe that yellow colored area is 1 by 8. And observe 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is nothing but multiply 1 with 1 and 2 with 4, which is equal to 1 by 8. That means numerator multiplication, denominator multiplication gives the answer. So without drawing this pictograph we can multiply like this. So observe that multiplication of a fraction with a fraction, 2 by 3 into 2 by 5. Here 2 by 5 means we have to divide this rectangle into 5 equal parts like this. And out of this 5 we have to take 2. Just take 2 and observe that 2 by 3 of this 2 by 5. So 2 by 3 means this yellow colored area we have to divide into 3 equal parts. So first observe that 2 by 5 is nothing but yellow colored area. Now 2 by 3, that means this yellow colored area I have to divide into 3 equal parts like this. Out of this 3 I have to take 2. So this is our answer. So 2 by 3 into 2 by 5 is nothing but red colored area. To represent this area as a fraction, I am dividing this rectangle into equal parts like this. So observe that we get 15 equal parts. Out of this 15, the red colored area is in 4 parts. So which is nothing but 4 by 15. Dear students, observe this. 4 by 15 we can get like this. 2 into 2. So numerator multiplication and denominator multiplication. Observe this, 2 2 is a 4 by 15. That means every time no need to draw the pictographs. Just you can multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. You will get the multiplication of two fractions. See, product of two fractions is nothing but product of numerators by product of denominators. Dear students, try to solve these problems. Here observe that 5 into 3 by 2. You can write like this, 5 into 3. 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So you can multiply numerator with numerator, that is 5 into 3 by 1 into 2, which is nothing but 15 by 2. Just observe the formula. Numerator multiplication, denominator multiplication. That is nothing but the fractions multiplication. Okay. So try to solve these problems. Okay. Now we will see division of fractions. First see reciprocal of a fraction a by b. Reciprocal of any fraction is nothing but the fraction which is obtained by interchanging numerator and denominator. That means denominator becomes numerator numerator becomes denominator. That is nothing but the reciprocal of fraction a by b is nothing but b by a. Similarly, reciprocal of 5 by 3 is nothing but 3 by 5. Reciprocal of 6, 6 can be written as 6 by 1. The reciprocal is nothing but 1 by 6. Okay, so see here, division of whole number by a fraction. 2 divided by 1 by 2. First see the pictograph. 2 wholes, if we divide into half pieces, 1 by 2 means half. So then we will get 4 pieces. Okay, so just see here, 2 division with a fraction is nothing but multiplication with its reciprocal. So division of a fraction is nothing but multiplication with its reciprocal. That means division we have to convert into multiplication, and the fraction 1 by 2 reciprocal we have to write. That is 2 by 1. Now observe that 2 into 2 by 1, which is equal to 4 by 1, which is equal to 4. Okay. So division with a fraction is nothing but multiplication with its reciprocal. That's you have to remember. So see here, 3 divided by 1 by 5 I am taking. 3 division I have to convert into multiplication. 1 by 5 reciprocal is nothing but 5 by 1, which is equal to 3 into 5 by 1, which is equal to 3 5s are 15. Okay, so like this you can do all the problems. Here see this, 3 divided by 4 by 7. So 3 into 4 by 7 reciprocal is 7 by 4. So we have to write 3 into 7 by 4. 3 sevens are 21 by 4. This is the answer. So in case of these mixed fractions, you have to convert that into improper fraction, then follow the same rule. Okay, try to do these problems. Division of a fraction by a whole number. 1 by 4 divided by 5. See here, 5, 1 by 4 divided by 5 first, 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So, which is equal to 1 by 4 division convert into multiplication, and 5 by 1 reciprocal we have to write, that is 1 by 5, which is equal to 1 into 1 by 4 into 5, that is equal to 1 by 20. Division of a fraction by a fraction. 4 by 3 divided by 7 by 5. Here also observe that first 4 by 3 we have to write as it is. Division convert into multiplication, and we have to write the 7 by 5 reciprocal, that is 5 by 7, which is equal to 4 into 5 by 3 into 7, that is equal to 20 by 21. Dear students, try to solve these problems. This is the third part.